speech. First one, it is the noun. Second one, it is the verb. Third one, it is the adjective. Fourth one, it is the adverb. Fifth one, it is the noun. Total are the 8 figure of speech. 8 figure of speech: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun. After that conjunction, preposition, interjunction. Means all in all there are the total 8 figure of speech, but in this session we are going to learn about the noun. So without any further, we will start the lesson. Noun. Now what is meant by the noun? So noun stands for noun. It is a name. Noun, it is the name of person name, of person name, of a person name, animal's name, bird's name of the person name, animals. Noun, it is the name of any person name, any animal's name, any bird's name, any place name. This noun stands for person name, animals, birds and place. There are the total 10 types of nouns. So we will learn one by one. First one is the common noun. Common noun stands for any person name. As definition we have seen noun. Similarly, definition we have to write in a common noun. Any person name, animal name, place name, any person name, animal name, place name, things name, bird name. For example, dog. Okay, any person name, for example, boy, girl. Means we don't want to write the name, means any person name. Cousin. Okay, things name we can write skateboard. Now place name, for example, park. Okay, etc. Now that all examples are included in a common noun. Now second one is the proper noun, and proper noun stands for a specific person name. Specific person name. Specific person name, any specific animal name, specific place name, again specific things or bird's name. Means here you have been giving one word, specific things or bird name. Again we can write in a proper noun, days in a week, week in a days or months. And the most important preposition in the proper noun, it is the proper nouns are capitalized. Proper nouns are capitalized. Means proper noun are always start with the capital letters. Okay, when you will be asked about that, identify the proper nouns in the following sentence. So I have told you now, capital letters, proper nouns always start with the capital letters, and it is the specific person name. For example, Sachin, specific person name, it is the Sachin. Animal's name is cat, dog. Okay, things means it is the Patna. Things, birds means it is sparrow. Sparrow. Okay. Okay, in our daily life we often have to deal with the grammar, means every sentence are made up from the grammars. So let's start. Underline and write cn means common noun, pn means proper noun in the sentence. Okay, means we have to do underline, common noun and proper noun below. So it is the first sentence. New Delhi is the capital of India. First of all, we should know about that concepts in a common noun and a proper noun. So New Delhi. Now I had told you proper noun is always starts from the capital letter. So New Delhi, it is the proper noun. Okay, capital of India. India, it is the INDIA. India also it is the capital, so it is also the proper noun. Capital, it is the common noun. Okay, now next one is the Rahul is my brother. Rahul is my brother. Proper noun, it is the specific person name. So Rahul, it is the proper noun and it starts from the capital letter. So next one, it is the brother, and brother, it is an example of a common noun, means any particular person name. I hope you might have understood this. So let's see an example on the basis of common noun and proper noun. Okay, next questions you have been giving here. Prepare word things of the following. Now word trains, means we have to make the trains of the words. So let's start. First, it is the fruits. Any fruits name we have to write here. For example, we have written here plum, plum, plum. Okay, the last word, it is the yum, and in this second bracket place we have to write from the words yum. So YUMANGO, mango. ORANGE, orange. Okay, what we have to do here, we will get here fruits. Okay, fruits, for example, I have written here plum, PLUM. So last word we have to write in the second, and we have to start from there. MANGO, mango. Now last word, it is the O, and we have to start from the O, orange. Okay, now second one, it is the games. Now we have to write the games name. For example, I have written here CRICKET, cricket. Okay, CRICKET, cricket. So last word, it is the T, and in the second vacant place we have to write from the T. So TIPCAT, tipcat, means it is in Marathi it is called as the Vitti Dandu. Hindi it is also called as a Lagori, I think so. Now we have to write again T words. Taw. Okay, taw, it is the means marble, I think so, marble it is. So cricket, tipcat and toe. Okay, this is your homework. Prepare word trains of the followings. So people, you have to write the people's name, but keep in mind the last word you have to start from the second bracket place. It is the countries, rivers, things and vegetable. I hope you came out with a better understanding of nouns. So rest of the lessons we will see tomorrow.